I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today I got a lawnmower. It has PTO, hydraulics, forward, reverse. I think this is just the kill switch. I'm not sure. Choke up, turn key. So this thing runs off points. Let's open up the hood. Battery, electric start. Obviously we know we got good this. This hose has to be changed because it's running off of this. The hose from it's fine. Fuel looks clean. Gas tank looks clean. Fuel gauge still works. Throttle works good. Use a filter. That could also be giving you problems. Filter's pretty gummy. No, you keep your hands away from there. I know you like learning mechanics, but you keep your hands over there. Let's see if it starts better without a filter. Well, I know I make videos on fixing stuff, but I just actuated it because I figured out what that little on-off switch is. That engages the PTO, and it cuts pretty good. Except for, we all know this wouldn't be a video with me unless I was fixing stuff. He loves it already, which is good. So apparently I don't need a carb clean. Apparently I need a filter because this is letting no air through. Would not run, would run very, very shortly. As soon as I take this off, this thing wants to run like a dream. So that's great. It does need some real fuel line here. You can see coal hauler engine. I've had some fun with these. Below 0 degrees, so in winter run 5W20. Okay, so this tractor is gonna need oil changes every season change. 30 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 10W30, and just 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 30. Don't know what just 30 oil is, but we're gonna say probably 5W30 will probably be okay with this. If I notice she's a little cranky. Oh, it even tells me spark plug gap and everything down that chart that's still covered in dust. But, so I need a filter for this. I need some fuel line. I do need to replace this. There's oil everywhere here, but who knows how old that is or whatever. Spark plug looks good. Gas, it needs gas. Yeah, you're looking at all the gauges. I know with electric start, I should probably put like an override switch in this so he can't start it. Looking in here, the battery could use a tie down. I love this block of wood in here. But hey, it is electric start. There's the starter. Here's the oil. What does the oil look like? Well, it has oil. Yeah, it's full. It actually looks like newer oil. So I probably don't have to do an oil change. It came from somebody who very much loved this thing and was very respected on it. Tires are all full of air. But mowing wise, it's probably fine. It's when lifting up the deck. So it has hydraulic up and down, and it might have more levers. So I will probably have to take this all out because the hydraulic lever is with this to swap it to multi-point hydraulics, because you see here the back hydraulic ports are in the front.
Back.
Yeah, back. Yeah, there's the seat, lawnmower seat. Yeah, that's a hitch. Here's the transmissions. It's a little low. It needs some ATF. I'll have to get some. Rear diff is a little dirty. And right there you can see a broken weld. Drum brakes on that side look great. Drum brakes on this side look like a mess. This is where I really wish I had a pressure washer just to wash all of this. Old school connectors. Yeah, hitch. But as you can see from this already, it does need some work. Here's a weld that's busted off. Needs to get fixed. Oh no, yeah, that's right. There's a weld that's busted off. Deck has some rust proofing it could use. Yeah, mess. The bearings in the front could probably be used a little bit. Oh, there's a little bit of hydraulic fluid there. Yeah, see, this is for the back plate. It's just zip tied there. I'm really not worried. It's missing the grill. I'd love to find a grill for this. Headlights are on it, they work. This bearing could probably use a little grease too. Yeah, it looks like a broken lever of some sort. Yeah, sure, kid. So I just really need a filter for this thing and some fuel line. Some automatic transmission fluid, some welds. Maybe get the seat cover on it. I really don't know what all this stuff does. It's like this little knob. I have no idea what this knob does. Those are brakes. I'm guessing this is something for the PTO, not too sure. That's what it is. What type of John Deere it is. It's a T0581. Good old US of A. But now we have some stuff with this tractor. We got a tiller. Good old John Deere tiller. A snowblower. A roller. An ATV blade. But as you can see here, this is the mechanism there for the tiller there. It needs some welding. Because you can see there was originally a straight shaft there, broken off. It's been drilled out to recess it. I think I'm going to just drill it out a bit more, recess it fully in there, and then we'll do a full weld around it. So weld on that, welding on the mower deck. And we got ourselves a fully working lawnmower. Now I may probably try and clean up the yard, and we're probably gonna just fire that thing up and use it. Because why not? Obviously it is working.
stuck in my mind. I'm not my pain this time. Learn from mistakes, get up and ride. It's easy to fall for life. Some parts of me might die. Gotta get back up and try. I am not my pain tonight. In the latest hours, I evolve my power. This is the moment to do it louder. I didn't know that life could take me miles away, and all I know is I am strong and need a start. I've met my demons in the dark. I had some demons in my heart. I've been carrying them around, but I didn't fall apart. I came a long way to pass their face. Look at me in the eyes while I embrace my deepest fears. No, I am safe. We step to me, put a smile on your face. Yeah, I'ma always be on it. Ain't got no time to waste, I'm honest. I don't give a fuck about what they say. I'm doing it now, doing it loud every day. Yeah, like guns, drugs, I've seen it all, but that was not the path I chose. Frequency was way too low, so I avoid. Keep moving on, keep moving on, keep moving on. In the latest hours, I evolve my power. This is the moment to do it louder. I didn't know that life could take me miles away, and all I know is I am strong and need a start.
So did great mowing the lawn, but right now we're going to pull the deck off and fix that. It's been sitting here. It's been sitting here for a little bit. The transmission is leaking, so we'll figure that out another day. But I was able to find a filter for this online, and it's got a new air filter on her. Yes, I gotta do the fuel line, but no, it works, so I might actually just shorten it up and leave it, at least for this year. It's gotta earn its keep, you know? So it's earned itself a filter because I don't want anything to get in there I want it to run. It wasn't running with the other filter. It's gotta earn its keep, so I got to pull the mower deck. The mower deck has earned its keep, so I may fix that. I love this too. Just like you can actuate this separately. Other than that, doesn't spring up. All right, I don't know any of this stuff. I'm gonna have to figure out more of this stuff. So to undo this mower deck, it looks like there's an attachment in the front and an attachment in the back. Does this pin just pull? It looks like it's supposed to. Maybe. Or then you grab a pry bar and look at that, because it looks like the pin's just supposed to pull. Because that's bolted onto the front here. So if that just pulls, that'd be easy. Yeah. Probably hasn't been greased in a long time.
That's the try.
Yeah, that's Dad's hammer. Alright, so that's disconnected.
I'm first with my leg. I'm first down it.
Yeah. There's no 2 more pull handles that Dad needs to pull. Right here on the deck. They don't look like they've moved in a long time either. There we go. 1 more. Other than that's what broke. Don't tell me some bees started to make a nest in here. Dad doesn't like that. Yeah. Will they choke you? Start ya. Well, that thing just took off as soon as it built pressure in the transmission. I didn't realize that gauge was forward. I got stung in the lower lip. As you can see, it's all swollen already. Because some bees decided, as I was banging on there, they made a nest in the goddamn thing in fucking like 2 days. So are they gonna let this thing run? And hopefully by it vibrating and noise and getting the bees and wasps out, they land on the motor and kill themselves. Because the motor's what's making the noise and everything. Ow! My lip really fucking hurts. Welcome to Manitoba. You know, you park a lawnmower for a day or two and some wasps build a nest in it. Oh wow, yeah, that's swollen. They are not happy.
I can't fall behind. Don't wanna be stuck in my mind. I'm not my pain this time. Learn from mistakes, get up and rise. It's easy to fall for life. Some parts of me might die. Gotta get back up and try. I am not my pain tonight. In the latest hours, I evolve my power.
always a pain in the ass somehow. Fuck free lip injection. Just leave your lawnmower alone for 2 days and get stung in the lip. Holy shit. We sprayed the nest a bunch with a bunch of killer. I poured some fuel on the nest and we're just gonna let it run, and all of them coming out there attacking the motor. So we're gonna let it run over there for a bit. Knock all those wasps out. I'm gonna talk all stupid now.
I'm heading down a dark road. Now that I've lost this, now I'm in pieces. That's what I never seen. You said forever. Baby, I tried to put up a fight, but my heart always ends up back on my sleeve.
Are they the best welds? No, because my welder is, that thing's 10 years old and I paid $100 for it originally. It's dying, but I lapped it once and then I lapped it 2 more times just to make sure like this ain't going anywhere. And to be honest, it looks no better than the original factory welds. Like, let's be honest there with how that looks and how that looks. But you can see here, because this is what I care about, because I grind it off the edges, it's one piece there. There's no crack lines, there's no failures. She's one piece, both sides. Because imperfections is where welds are then cracked. So even though they're but ugly, it is pure in between. And the main reason the way a weld looks matters is wherever your smallest pooling or an imperfection in any of the pooling, that's your weak point. At least of what I've been told. I'm not a true welder by hand. I'm just a YouTube educated welder. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing with welding. But I do enjoy it. I am proud of the welds that thing used to make. Not anymore. Now I can't make a good weld on that thing for shit, no matter how much practice I get. And maybe that's me being hard on myself. But she'll hold, she'll be good for what she needs to be. Fixed. I want to buy a better welder. I want to buy a new welder. This thing's starting to go on me. Now I don't have any yellow paint on hand. I'll probably go out and buy some, but for now, any paint's better than no paint. But you know, while we're here, because now I can say I worked on some of it, even though we are going to change the belt, and I'm going to take this pressure washer and clean all of it out. I think on here, this shield, all right, take some of this, scrub a spot, stick one of these bad boys on here. There we go. Some Schneider Classics right there. But that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed us working on the lawnmower, showing it some love, using it to mow the lawn, giving it a fix. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that swelling goes down from the wasp, and see you guys next time.